Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable regional pricing on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Regional pricing is a great feature because it automatically adjusts prices based on the economic conditions of different countries, making your items more accessible to a global audience. To get started, head over to the Roblox website. At the top of the page, click on Create. Once page loads, then navigate to Creations from the left-hand menu. From there, select Choose the experience where your pass is located. Once you're inside your creation, scroll down on the left and under Monetization, click on Passes. Here, find the game pass you want to edit and click on it. After opening the pass, select Sales from the left menu. Make sure the pass is set for sale and that you've already chosen a base price. Below the pricing section, you'll see the option to enable regional pricing. You can click the information icon next to it to learn more. Roblox ensures that regional pricing will never reduce the price by more than 30%. Turn on this option and then click Save Changes. That's it. Regional pricing is now enabled for your Roblox Game Pass. So that's basically how you can enable regional pricing on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.